All right, so my replacement mirror came in. That part number is a GM109CL, and that is a driver's side heated mirror, chrome, that is has the blind spot in it. So I'm going to unbox it because the first one came in with the wrong mirror in it. It was the passenger side. This box looks like it's brand new. Right away I can see a lot of differences. One is the original mirror that I got was not in this bag. It was just a mirror set inside here with some bubble wrap. So I'm going to take the mirror out of here. Okay, so this is the mirror. It's got the blind spot on it. It has the wire for the electric and heated mirrors. And also this little padding here was not on there. On that other mirror. So somebody must have, plus the chrome piece here. So somebody must have taken the chrome piece off and this padding and put the wrong mirror in the driver's side box and sent it back. So anyway, all the parts look good, so I'm going to go ahead out to the truck and start putting this together. The driver's side mirror on a 2016 Chevy Colorado. Chevy Colorado or a GMC Canyon, which is the same thing, 2014 and up to present time. I had a bird fly into my mirror and shattered it, and if you ever try driving without a driver's side mirror, you got to do a lot of turning around to make sure that there's no cars, and really creates a larger blind spot. So I went to a store and I bought this vanity mirror that I tie strapped on here temporarily, and then I went ahead and ordered a new mirror. It's going to be coming today, so I'm going to start taking this apart. So in order to take this apart, from everything that I've seen, is basically the 3 bolts are going to be behind here, but the hardware or the wiring harness to unplug is behind the door. So as far as the hardware, there's a plate back here where it has a 7mm screw. This panel comes off right here, and then there's 2 7mm bolts, and then underneath of the door you see one here and the other one right here. So after you get all the bolts removed, then you're going to get yourself a set of non-metallic screwdrivers or pry bars, and here's a little package you can get online for about $8. These are brand new. I borrowed them from a friend, so I'm just going to take it out of this package neatly. And basically what that does, it allows you to get between the door panel and the door of your car, and you're not scratching up the paint. So let me get all set up and then we'll get to it. Everything that I've seen showed this being done from the bottom. I just had to get a screwdriver and push down on these metal tabs. There's a 1, 2, 3, there's 5 of them. You can see deep inside here, I got my two 7mm, and I showed you the 2 at the bottom. So take those out. My nut driver barely fits in there, but it does fit. Once again, that's a 7mm. Two at the bottom. That just pops out with the screwdriver. There's a 7mm behind there. So there's 5 altogether. And it looks like the 2 on the top or the 1 on the top and 2 on the bottom are all the same size. To get this off, you have one tree that goes here. I pulled it out and it fell behind the door, so I have to go get that. So I'm going to pull this out and tuck that out of the way. Yep. Got my 10mm. I take off the 2 at the bottom. I'm just going to loosen the top so I can just use the socket to act as a nut driver. See if I do it from the other side so you can still see what I'm doing. Alright, so there's 2 that are off. Just put that on my windshield. You can see how that's getting loose here. Alright, and that comes right out. And there's a little boot that's part of the mirror. So that's the old mirror. Alright, just a quick side by side. This is my new mirror, and it's got a molding on the outside. This is the factory mirror, and it's got electrical tape. It's hard to see because of the sun here. It has a rubber grommet here that's part of the wiring, and it has this foam backing. On the new mirror, it just has the foam backing, but it doesn't have that rubber grommet. And then you can see how corroded this aluminum is getting on here. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this new mirror on. Go ahead and do it from the back. Start with the top. Alright, so I'm going to take this rubber piece off of this door panel. I just pop in off the clips. You got to hold one side down as you pull up at the bottom. I hope they don't flip off. Alright, so this is what the clip looks like. This hooks on the door, and then the rubber molding goes into this, and then this clips on the door, so you're going to put the door straight in now. So this rubber goes underneath of this plastic piece, and then it gets set into the clip all the way across. All 5 of them. Alright. And then you're going to go ahead and put the door on. The top first. And that will go into these holes here, and like right here and right there, it's all slotted. Go up over the door lock. That'd be a good idea to lock it. Okay, and then go ahead and unlock the door, make sure that works. Now I got that in place, I can just go around and start snapping everything in place. Alright, now I'm going to try my mirror one more time. And my window. So the window goes up and down. And the mirror works. So we're good. The one behind the door handle that opens the door. And you got two in this area here. A little deep in there, so it might be difficult to get started. You got the two at the bottom of the door. Once you get them in, all in, just tighten them all down. Put the cover on. There's two to the back, one to the front. On these clips, there's two. And that snaps in place. Cover snaps up and pops into place. And that's it. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe.